How to check recent notifications on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and swipe down from the top left of the screen to open the Notification Center. Here, you can scroll through all your past alerts and view your recent notifications. Now, go back to your home screen and open up the Settings application to manage how you receive these alerts. Keep scrolling down until you find and tap on the Notifications option. Here, you can choose how notifications are displayed and scroll down to see a list of all your apps and their current alert styles. Tap on any app to customize its specific notification settings, and turn on Allow Notifications for that app. You can customize any app, such as turning alerts on or off and choosing where the notification should appear. By using the Notification Center for viewing and settings for managing, you have full control over your iPhone notifications. Following these steps, you can easily check recent notifications on an iPhone.